In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a text object in Illustrator, using placeholder text to help you visualize your design. Before we dive into the tutorial, let's get familiar with the basics. The Type tool in Illustrator offers two primary methods for creating text objects: point type and area type. When you click once on the canvas using the Type tool, you'll create point type, which is ideal for a single line of text. On the other hand, if you click and drag to create a box, you're creating area type, which is better suited for paragraphs or larger blocks of text. Now, when you create a text object, you'll likely notice placeholder text appearing in your text frame. This lorem ipsum text is a default setting in Illustrator to help you get a sense of how your text will look. If your text object doesn't automatically fill with placeholder text, don't worry, there's an easy fix. Simply select the text object, then navigate to the Type menu at the top of your screen and choose Fill with Placeholder Text. This will immediately populate your text frame with placeholder text, allowing you to better plan and design your layout. Once you have your placeholder text in place, you can style it just like you would with any regular text. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to see what best fits your design. The versatility of Illustrator's text editing capabilities means you have a wealth of creative options at your disposal. Feel free to adjust the text alignment, apply effects, or even use text wrap to integrate your text seamlessly with other elements in your design. But what if you prefer not to have placeholder text automatically appear every time you create a new text object? Illustrator has got you covered. If you're working on a Windows computer, you can go to Edit and then head to Preferences, followed by the Type option. For those of you using a Mac, you'll navigate to Illustrator at the top left of your screen, then choose Preferences, and finally, Type. In both cases, you'll find a checkbox labeled Fill New Type Objects with Placeholder Text. Uncheck this box, and moving forward, Illustrator will stop automatically populating new text objects with placeholder text, giving you a blank canvas to start from. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing and styling text objects in Illustrator with the help of placeholder text. Whether you're planning a detailed typographic design or just need a visual representation of where your text will go, these steps will enhance your workflow and offer you greater control over your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to keep sharpening your skills.